Hey Bailey, what's happening? What do you got going on today?
We're going skydiving.
Going skydiving. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Just to do it.
No, it's just to do it. Oh, what's up? We got another add-on to this.
Yeah.
All right. Well, whose idea was this? This was your idea. All right. So if anything goes wrong, we know exactly who to blame, right? Ain't nothing gonna go wrong.
That's right.
You guys look great. You look ready to go. I'm ready to go up top. Let's have some fun.
Let's rock and roll.
Hold. You got a good grip, right? Right, nice and slow. That's what you're flying. Woo! Give it the right-hand turn. Right-hand turn. Yeah, looking good. Looking great. Woo! Alright, you just went skydiving. Here comes your sister. Woo-hoo! How are you feeling?
I feel great. That
You
was
feeling
nice.
good?
Yes.
Is it something you'd ever do again?
Yes.
Oh yeah,
I
that's
actually
what we
really
want to
like
hear.
that.
Let's check this out. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful landing. Alright, so what was your favorite part?
I don't know. I say the fallout.
You like
Maybe
that? You
flying
like that?
it. No, I liked it.
Alright.
It was kind of scary, but we kind of like turned a little bit, and it's like ah. But it was nice. That was fun.
Alright, well you did absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for jumping with us.
Thank you.
At Skydive Colorado Springs.
That was fun. Thank you.
Yes.